This training video is intended to assist you with the bank reconciliation process in QuickBooks. I'm currently using a sample company file in QuickBooks Accountant 2012. However, this process is similar across years and products in QuickBooks, and this video can be used to assist you in many different versions. To go to the Banking Center, you can click Reconcile on the home page, or you can use Banking Reconcile from the main menu bar at the top. You'll select your account type. It will either be a bank or credit card type. You'll enter your statement ending date. This is the date on your statement, the as of date, or the ending date on the statement. Your beginning balance should match the opening or beginning balance on your bank statement, and you'll enter your ending balance or current balance from your bank statement. If you know your service charge, you may enter it now. However, if it's buried within the statement and you don't know it at the beginning, it's all right. We'll have an opportunity to enter that later. You may also enter any interest earned, the date, and the interest income account on this screen. Click Continue. As you can see, QuickBooks organizes the information for us into checks and payments on the left and deposits and other credits on the right. QuickBooks also gives us all of our transactions, so you may even see items listed past your statement date. I recommend hiding transactions after the statement's end date to prevent clearing items that may belong in the next period. I've intentionally dated this one particular item past our statement end date to show you how to correct a common bank reconciliation problem in QuickBooks. You can either clear your items by checking on them individually, or if most of your items clear in a month, you may select Mark All, and QuickBooks will clear all of your items for you automatically. In this instance, this deposit and these two checks have not yet cleared, so I'll unmark them. As you can see, we need this $500 in our bank reconciliation to clear. But our statement date is 12/31/2016, and this check is dated 1/31/2017. This will cause an out of balance in QuickBooks between the bank reconciliation and the balance sheet. To prevent this issue, we'll double click on the check, correct our date, and save and close. Now we won't have an out of balance between our bank reconciliation and our balance sheet because our check date falls within our statement date. We don't have a service charge on this particular example. However, if you found it as you were going through your statement, you could click the Modify button and enter your service charge, the date, and the account that it would apply to, and click Continue. As you can see, QuickBooks will automatically fill in the service charge information for you. I'll remove that so we can continue with our example. If you have a difference here, do not click Reconcile Now. This is very important because QuickBooks unfortunately creates an account called Reconciling Discrepancies. While this account can be cleared, it is often very difficult. If you have a difference and you must leave your bank reconciliation, click the Leave button. Do your research and then come back to your bank reconciliation. Because we have no difference, I'll click Reconcile Now. QuickBooks will think about the information and it will produce a listing of the outstanding items for the next reconciliation and give us an opportunity to print our bank reconciliation. I do recommend printing your bank reconciliation and filing it with your bank statement in your monthly folder. However, there is an option to retrieve the report later if necessary. I'll show that to you in a moment. QuickBooks will produce a reconciliation summary for you, which is comprised of your beginning balance, your cleared balance, and your register balance as of your statement date. This register balance will match your balance sheet and is the actual balance in your check register as of your statement date. If you have any new items, transactions that are entered after your statement date, then they would be listed next. Your reconciliation detail lists your beginning balance, all of your cleared checks, all of your cleared deposits, and then in detail any uncleared checks, payments, and deposits and credits. This section can be used to ensure that all items are in fact current and should be still outstanding. For example, if you had a deposit from November on your December bank statement that had not yet cleared, you might want to research it to make sure that it truly was an outstanding deposit. To retrieve a bank reconciliation from a prior period, go to your Reports menu. Select Banking and Previous Reconciliation. At this point, you could select any statement ending date for a bank reconciliation you've done in the past and reprint that information. Bank reconciliations in QuickBooks can be fast and easy with a little bit of assistance. If you need any assistance, please contact Linda Forde at JamisonMoneyFarmer. Thank you.